This is Matt Dancho here, and today I have a special announcement. I am creating a new podcast, vlog, whatever you want to call it, on YouTube called The Business Scientist. And what I'm going to be doing in this is going to be covering my journey to becoming a business scientist, which is a data scientist in business. So I'm going to share my screen here real quick and we'll get this thing started. Today, what we're covering is the biggest lie in data science. And I want to show you what that is. So let me share my screen. The thing here is that companies are hiring data scientists in droves, but they don't actually want data science. And I know that sounds really weird, but it's completely true. So what the key question is, what do they want? So here's what they really want. That's what I'm going to cover in this video. What they don't care about, though, first, things that you probably are focused on. Tools, things like R, Python, Julia, all these programming languages, even some of the BI dashboarding tools, Power BI, Tableau, all that stuff. They don't care about it. Math. Sure, math's important. Don't get me wrong. Statistics, I love it. I think it's great, but the business, it doesn't care about statistics. It doesn't care about math. It doesn't care about any of that stuff. Advanced degrees, computer science degrees, PhDs, all that stuff. That sounds good on your resume, but that's not actually what businesses truly care about, believe it or not. And code, you spend all this time, working on your code, which is really important to you, but to your business, not so much. They really don't care about your code. So what do they care about? Every company that I've ever worked for has cared about one single thing. And what is that? It's business value. That's exactly what you need to deliver. And that's why I'm creating this video series called The Business Scientist, because I want to document my process from becoming a business scientist, which is a data scientist in business. So I actually want to take an excerpt out of my book, Everything You Should Already Know About Data Science. I'm going to skip here to page 8 of the book. I think that's where it's at. 7, 8, yeah. So there's this segment of the introduction to my book that talks about this thing called the way of the business scientist. And I want to focus on this real quick. It says here that the business scientist is a new breed of data scientist that is solely focused on creating business value. Nothing else matters, not models, not algorithms, not tools, only business value. And I think this is key because the biggest mistake that we as data scientists get into is we get into this trap of learning all of this stuff that never actually ends up generating business value. So I'll continue. The business scientist unlocks business value by increasing the company's revenue, by decreasing costs, and increasing profitability. These are the three things that companies actually care about. The business scientist explores problems through data, using proven processes and problem-solving frameworks, experiments using a scientific approach, and brings together teams and stakeholders to gain buy-in through the process, and ties all results to the business problem by measuring changes in financial value. That's called return on investment, and that's exactly what companies care about. So I want to leave you with that. If you want to learn more, for those that are interested, I do have an ebook, Everything You Should Already Know About Data Science. You can purchase it. I think it's $1 right now. And I'll leave a link in the comments to this video. And I look forward to talking more about how to become a business scientist and some of the struggles that I face in my path for over 10 years at trying to learn how to apply data science to business. And it's going to be fun. So I'm excited for it. All right. I will see you guys later.